In our tech-driven world, gadgets have become an integral part of our daily lives, shaping the way we work, communicate, and entertain ourselves. However, not all gadgets are created equal, and some have raised concerns about their impact on our well-being, privacy, and the environment. In this video, we'll talk about 10 gadgets that should be banned due to their ethical implications and potential harm. So, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's start the video. Number 10. The USB Killer. The USB Killer is a gadget initially developed to test surge protection, which poses a major threat by sending a high-voltage charge over a USB port, destroying electrical equipment. This gadget has been maliciously exploited, prompting its restriction in several countries due to its potential for permanent harm and involvement in cyberattacks. On the other hand, USB devices such as the Buskill magnetic breakaway cable are designed to prevent USB attacks. Still, the USB Killer flash drive remains a valuable tool for security experts testing vulnerabilities or preventing cyber attacks by instantly wiping a laptop if snatched or stolen. Responsible use is crucial to avoid unintended damage and adhere to local laws and regulations governing its usage. Number 9. Heated Blanket. Heated blankets keep you warm all night long and are made of soft materials that are comfortable for your whole body. The warmth levels can be changed, and they have handy auto-off safety features that make them easy to control and prevent accidents if you forget to turn them off. Even though makers say it's safe, leaving an electric blanket on overnight is not a good idea because of the possible safety risks. These concerns include the blanket catching fire, which might cause injury or property damage. If you use it for too long, you could get second-degree burns or even heat stroke. It's nice to be warm and comfortable, but it's also important to put safety first and stay away from any risks that could hurt you or cause an accident. Number 8. Blitz Knuckle Duster. Blitz Knuckle Duster not only adds charm to your zippered products, but they also serve a second use. These decorative charms are versatile and can be placed on gym bags, backpacks, purses, and even clothing items like hoodies and jackets. On a separate note, the Blitz Knuckle Duster is a one-of-a-kind self-defense tool that can be discreetly placed in your pocket and used right away. This knuckle duster weighs under 2 ounces and includes a 1-inch hole for a finger, making it comfortable and easy to use. Crafted from solid copper, it exudes strength, but its potential for causing serious injuries underscores the need for caution. While it provides a sense of safety, it is critical to acknowledge the possible threat it represents. Number 7. Wephone. The Wephone is a powerful and flexible gadget that engineers, makers, and hackers can use to make quick changes and improvements. Its user-friendly UI and 32-bit CPU create a dreamlike experience. However, the device's direct input/output and wireless communication provide security issues, possibly allowing hackers to access sensitive data. Despite the interesting features, consumers should use caution. Notably, Wephone provides free HD calls without a contract, encouraging ethical conduct. The built-in LCD screen and internet access enable creative possibilities, but security precautions are required. Overall, Wephone is a tech marvel, but users must balance its potential with awareness of security challenges. Number 6. Hidden Camera Clock. Pele presents this modern wall clock, which is a one-of-a-kind mix of style and technology. This clock conceals a high-definition tiny camera for enhanced utility. It operates invisibly as a conventional clock, but when motion is detected, it jumps into action, recording up to 5 hours of film on its micro SD memory card. It is not just used for home security, but also for investigative purposes, which may sometimes infringe on privacy. This gadget, although interesting, presents severe ethical problems. Its covert monitoring capabilities can be exploited, making it a potential threat in the wrong hands. The invasion of privacy and security threats connected with such gadgets underline the need for strict controls, if not outright bans, on their development and usage. Number 5. Pavashot StickShot. In today's society, personal safety is of the utmost importance, and the Defender Stick provides a unique solution. This tiny tool, designed for self-defense against both human and animal dangers, goes beyond typical pepper spray. It shoots pepper powder at an amazing 170 miles per hour, covering a large area. Its portability and ease of reloading offer consumers with peace of mind. However, it is important to highlight that this unique technology is subject to legal restrictions in many countries. Concerns about safety, possible abuse, and the need to be responsible with such strong tools are at the heart of the argument over whether to ban it. Number 4. Remote Control License Plate Cover. Blitz Sports provides a flexible, personalized license plate frame that is suited for any vehicle, whether it is a car or a truck. This black plastic frame may be used to replace either the front or rear license plate. What distinguishes it is its motorized plate customized cover, which is triggered by a remote control. The cover flips on both sides, giving consumers a unique alternative. While it gives a hint of James Bond's charisma, there is a catch. This remote control license plate cover might be used for unlawful purposes, such as escaping police. In many areas, employing such coverings is unlawful and may result in fines or legal repercussions for violating license plate rules. Number 3. Digital Voice Changer. The handheld voice changer lets you change your voice with just one click while you're on the go. It is perfect for web chat, chatting, and online gaming. This compact device boasts 4 distinct sounds and cool effects: man to woman, little girl, baby, magic voice, and deep voice. It is compact and portable, and installation requires only a 3.5mm interface audio converter cable. Connect your headphones to the top of the voice converter and secure the plug in the bottom port to begin the magic. Did you know that voice changers have been used in entertainment for years, adding a playful twist to various performances? However, voice changers have created privacy issues, prompting questions about their possible usage in impersonation or harassment. It is critical to use such devices carefully and understand the repercussions. Number 2. M8000. The M8000 anti-spy signal detector has amazing capabilities, reliably detecting harmful radio signals from GPS trackers and bugs. Despite its benefits, this device poses a considerable risk to user privacy and security. Aside from detecting spy devices, it can identify radio frequencies utilized by government enforcement and private enterprises, potentially leading to breaches of privacy or information theft. Unfortunately, the M8000 lacks critical security safeguards and encryption software, making it easily accessible to anybody without authorization. Because of the lack of protection, the gadget can be used illegally, risking the privacy of users without being watched. As technology evolves, manufacturers must emphasize user security by incorporating safeguards and encouraging the ethical use of such sophisticated gadgets. Number 1. Yellow Jacket iPhone Case. When it comes to staying safe, some tools can be hidden in bags for emergencies. However, the Yellow Jacket iPhone case is an even better choice. This unique case isn't just for your phone. It's also a strong stun gun with a 5.0 mAh impact to keep you safe. The cool thing about it is that it looks like any other iPhone case, so it doesn't look sketchy at all. Since your phone is always with you, you can always take it with you. Plus, it can charge your phone as well as used as a stun gun. In other words, it's like having a useful safety tool that looks like an iPhone case but is a powerful weapon. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more exciting content. Thanks for watching.